Okay, and next step, what we do when we have take this air filter console away is that we take these throttle bodies, these coolant hoses away. These are now free, and we can actually check that this longer belongs in here and shorter in here. Okay, and soon we work with this throttle body and intake manifold, but before of that we take now in next step these both drive shafts and drive axles away, and I will take those drive shafts away in left side and right side because I like to drain out all fluids from gearbox. And I take first this driver side drive shaft away, and I need my impact driver, and soon these drive shafts are away. Okay, and now both sides drive shafts are away, and we can go to then take next parts away in this engine area.